that is clean. I think it is finally time to get this thing back up on the road. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel kind of bad. Let me explain. We put a ton of money into Bobby's STI, got it tuned. She drove it for like 4 days, 5 days. There was a weird fluctuation or rattle or pulsation, I guess you'd call it, from the fuel pressure regulator, which then transferred back into the fuel lines. And they were starting to like rattle and make noise. It's super weird. Never experienced anything like that ever before. I started messing with the fuel pressure, realized that if you drop the fuel pressure down, because it's currently pretty high, I think it's like 50 or 55 PSI. If you drop it down to like 44, 45 pounds, all of that pulsation or pulsating goes away. But here's one thing that I knew of, but I didn't really think it through. Every time you mess with fuel pressure, it literally destroys the whole tune on the car. So with that being said, Bobby has not drove this car in a very long time. I guess she did kind of come out on top. She came out ahead for sure because she got to drive the M3 while her car was down. But we're finally gonna get this thing back up on the road today. Bader's coming over. We're gonna drop the fuel pressure probably down to like 45 PSI at idle, base fuel pressure, just so that super annoying rattle goes away. And then we are gonna completely retune the car. So waiting on Bader. It's kind of evening time right now, so I'm not sure like how much we're gonna get done today. We might have to do it a little bit tomorrow as well. I want Bobby to get her car back. We put a lot of money into this thing, like I said, and it's kind of went just to waste because the car sat there. We got her all cleaned up, looking beautiful as always. As soon as Bader shows up, we can get started on this thing. Is that a Tomei? This thing's dope.
It's a good old Mida Rex channels car.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This thing's clean. Pop the hood. Let's see what you're running.
Just got the turbo back today, 6466.
Ooh, big boy stuff.
Has one of our stage 4 motors in it.
Damn son.
About to make all the power.
800?
Goddamn hood latch. He actually is kind of kicking himself right now. He used stock size head studs. So,
hey,
650, 700. Then we'll start probably pushing it from there. Good old hood latch.
How the hell do those things work? Hey, it looks like Bobby's car.
Yeah.
Sick.
Good old wideband wiring going through there.
Nice.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro? Good to see you back.
Should I adjust the regulator?
Whatever you want it to be at now.
All right, so before we go retune this thing, I gotta adjust the regulator. So we are gonna go to like 45 PSI. And that should fix all of our problems. All right, it's taking a while to get going. For some reason, this car burned up 2 AEM wideband. Hope you guys can hear me. She burned up 2 AEM wideband sensors. The brand new AEM one on the car burned it up right away. And then I had a spare one, put that on the car, burn that one up. So then I had to take the wideband sensor off that car, put it on that car. And if it burns up this third one, then we know we got some other issue going on. But for some reason, it burned up 2 sensors right away. Makes no sense. Is she good?
This one's working mint. Kind of weird, 2 sensors in a row.
Little sus.
20 bucks.
20 motherfucker. Hey now.
We'll see if this one lasts the whole session.
Yeah.
If she does.
Dude, that was like 160 bucks I just burned through. Hit the gauge to turn it off. What's up, Bader? You blew it up, huh?
Done blew her up, boys.
We knew you were a noob, but not that big of a noob.
I know, right?
Shit. Damn. So the car is on E20 right now, and we're gonna just drain that out 100%, put actual pump gas in it, which is like E10. E meaning ethanol, so the ethanol content. So we're gonna do that, and then we should be able to completely tune this thing. Maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't really know. Fuck yeah. Okay, we drained some of the gas out. What do we have left? Like a quarter tank left? Under half? Do we need to get more out? We still have like a lot of gas in here. We only got like 5 gallons out. Shit. 6 months later, we got this thing down on fuel a little bit.
Yeah, except for now we know your gauge is broke.
Our gauge is not broke.
You got half a tank of gas left. Tell me how that works.
I'll show you.
All right.
It's just the way it is. Let's go drive it and I'll drain. Watch this.
Definitely running out of gas. I don't know, that thing went to 0.
I hate how good it shifts, dude.
You don't even have to try.
Can we put this tranny in an Evo so I can drive my Evo?
Let's do it. Let's please do a build and do it. I've wanted to do that.
That'd be sick.
That would be sick.
Why do you want to do it? Because Evo motors are better or what?
No, scratch that. I'm out. We all know how my luck with Evo motors. Things are piles.
Oh no, you shouldn't.
He has the best luck.
No, I shouldn't build a motor unlike you.
Alright, Mr. Put lube underneath the bearing.
That was some funny shit.
Got him.
What? It's over 4? You're full of dick.
Dude, I just put it in here. I'm not full of dick.
You are full of dick. It didn't
No,
make
I'm
over
not.
4. Dude, that felt like about $1.20.
Dude, I'm not making this up right now, okay? What's your tire size? We gotta put that shit in here.
I don't know.
It was like 255, 35, or 30?
265, 30, 265, 30, 19s.
Okay.
You're claiming she makes over 4, huh?
I didn't claim shit. Virtual Dyno over here is fucking claiming it. I mean, that didn't really change much, but.
What does it actually say? Like
440 and
It does
378.
not
I mean,
make-
the torque seems right.
There's no way
378, and we are on 23.5 pounds. But we have no time in it.
How do we make 440 this time, but last time we made 400?
Well, you see, I didn't really use our graphs right the last time. Now I'm an experienced user.
Alright. So we're
I mean, it is moving around on the road.
so we're gonna make what, 800 on you?
Hell yeah, let's make 800.
Vader's claiming we make
I do not claim.
440 even.
I think we should turn this thing
shit,
down.
That dude's hauling dick.
He about didn't make the corner.
That guy's hauling ass. 440 on pump gas. I can see why it's knocking.
That makes a lot of sense why it's knocking. I think we're both broken.
Yeah. We're used to faster cars apparently.
Can we go put E in this thing now?
Reload that. There ain't no
What
way.
do you want? I'll reload the one prior. How about that?
Okay.
So let's go back where it did have some detonation. So there's the one map prior. OBS. Now let's scale her up. Hang on.
420, huh?
420 and 374. So I mean we're in the same area.
Go load up the one from.
All right, let's load up the one prior.
No. Let's load up the one from like a month ago. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I mean here, let's go over. We can load that up. I still have all those.
Load that son of a bitch up. That's gonna say like 720.
2019. Bobby Wallace. We gotta get down through Alex. Apparently my tuning has gotten a lot better because we make more power on less boost right now. I did clean up the whole map a lot, and we do have a better fuel table, so.
It's because we turned down the fuel pressure. That's gotta be it.
Turn down fuel pressure.
Yeah. Makes way more
Got
shots.
rid of your rod knock on your regulator.
Weird.
Well, it makes pretty dang good power.
Should we go let her eat real quick?
No, look. It did correct itself. Alright, so there's your tire size, right? 25.26.
Yeah.
423 and 364. That's pretty realistic for it. At 23.5 pounds, that's pretty realistic.
You think so, huh?
I do think so. That sounds right.
You think so, huh?
Do you not think so?
I don't know.
We're gonna have to do a 1 through 8th gear pull to make sure.
Here. Is she safe to like rip?
I mean, it was safe on that pull. Why wouldn't we be on another one? If not, we're broke down on the side of the road.
back on that full. Did you log it?
Well, I logged it, but I didn't watch it. All right, here we go. Pull her up for you. Open. Well, it's still running. We had a whole 0 knock the whole pull.
Wow, look at you. Can you put 2-step on this bitch?
Hell yeah, we can.
All right, let's do it.
You ready to party?
Yeah, let's party.
All right, let's put 2-step on
All right, well, she makes 400. Let's just call her. Let's call her there.
it. Yeah, she makes 400.
We can't be like too generous because you know Evo's still got to make more than STIs at the end of the day.
Oh, please. First gear, clutch in. She's ready. You probably want to turn off traction control though.
You want me to like launch it?
I don't know. I
No.
don't know if you want to launch it. You want to blow through your stock clutch or what? We still got E85 to do.
Oh yeah, we do. I can't.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
Okay.
We'll kill
Dude,
this
it's
stock
tempting,
clutch.
though.
I know it is tempting.
I almost did it.
I'm waiting for it. I'll get this computer right in the face.
Oh, it's because you're holding the steering wheel.
Blame me.
Shit. Oh man.
And the mischief Jimmy comes back out.
Yes, sir. She's a ripper though. Smells like gas in here.
Huh? What's Gary doing there, babe?
I don't know. What's she doing there?
What were you guys up to last night?
Oh, just ripping her.
Serious?
Yes.
That's why you had me drive the car. And we didn't
Would you like
get
your car back?
Yes.
So, one thing, real quick, hold up. It's not done.
Is the motor blown?
No, motor's not blown.
Okay.
It's only tuned for pump gas.
It's what?
It's only tuned for pump gas, and it's 3:30 a.m. and we feel like driving around all night till 5 a.m. to drain the tank to put E85 in it.
So you guys were out driving the whole time?
Yes.
I freaking knew it. I freaking knew it.
Bader and I were out super late last night getting this car
Tell
tuned.
them how late.
I got home at 3:30 a.m. and Bobby was mad. She said I was in trouble. But, oh, guess what? We made a little extra sauce for you on pump as well.
What was going on?
So we dropped the fuel pressure, okay? This is what we did. Calm down. We dropped the fuel pressure because the insane amount of fuel pressure we were running was causing like surging in the lines and in the regulator.
surgery?
A surgery. And then we went and retuned her. We got startup way better. Fired up real quick. Because I know before Bobby was complaining that it didn't start up like a 100% factory car.
I have to.
And then, no, hold up.
Okay.
So last time I think it made 390 something on pump gas. This time it made 423.
How?
Just sent her.
Was she okay?
No. Gonna go for a quick rip in Bob's car. I don't know why she doesn't want to drive it. I think she's scared of all the newfound power, but I'll get her to drive it here in a minute. This is gonna be nuts on E85. Again, you wanna drive or no?
I want you to show me what it's all about.
You wanna hear something cool? Alright dudes, that's going to be a wrap for today. We didn't end up tuning for E85, which is going to make quite a bit more power. Last time it made over 500 on E85. So yeah, I'm not sure when we're going to get around to that. We just got to get all of the pump gas out of the tank swap in some E85. It is a flex fuel setup, but you do have to tune, like, I think it's E70 or above you have to be on for it to be accurate. So hopefully soon we can get this thing back on E85, back to make it some sauce. And then whenever the motor is finished being built, like out the spare block that we have, whenever that thing's all built, we're gonna slap that short block in the car, slap on the heads off of her car. She actually just got home. Slap the heads off of that car, grab some cams, springs, retainers, and turn it up even more, because I know Bobby gets used to the power and she always wants more. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.